Welcome to Beauty Boss, a new series showcasing the world's next best talent in all things hair, makeup, and beauty. A modern beauty boss not only has the skill, but the ability to engage with viewers of all kinds, from amateurs to the pros. I'm your host, Brianne Morse. Each week, we invite 10 new contestants to compete in a beauty challenge. Every look will be judged by industry experts and you, the fans. Each week, one contestant will take home $1,000 and be invited back for a chance at our grand prize in the finale for $25,000 and the title of Beauty Boss. Be sure to vote for your favorite at BespoketTV.com. I'll see you guys next time when our contestants compete to create an iconic beauty look.